What's up everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to recover your Outlook account password. So stick around to the end to understand every step along the way. So the first thing we'll need to do is to go over to the web browser and search for outlook.com. So here on outlook.live.com we've been taken to this page and we're going to put in our username with our Outlook suffix. Then we're going to click on next and then right here we're going to click on forgot password. And then you're going to be taken to this page where you have your email written here already. And then we're going to come over here where it says, where should we contact you? We're going to put an email address here and do some authentication here by writing down what we've seen here and click on next. And now that we've filled this up, we're going to click on next. Then we're going to see this pop up where it says, we just sent a code to this address, which is the address which you put in the area where it asked, where should we contact you? So you're going to go over to the mailbox and find the code and put it right here in order to verify. And now that we've put in the code, we're going to click on verify. And then on this page, you have the account recovery for the account you're trying to recover your password. You will have to fill in all this information as best as you can and then click on next to follow the procedures in recovering your account password. And when all these are filled, we're going to click on next. And then right here, you have some other information you need to fill here. For example, it says other passwords you've used for this account. Now, you can just put in anything you can remember. And then you're also going to answer these questions, check all that apply. And then you also have this one. So we've done our best to put in any information we can remember, and we're going to click on next. And then here it says, we'll send an email to the email address which you provided as an alternative to let you know if you've provided enough information to recover your account. Remember, if you're just forgetting your password, you're expected to have some other information connected to this account. It also usually takes about 24 hours to review the information submitted, and then you can click on OK and wait for the response to come. If the response is approved, you will be given a link to create a new password in order to gain access to your account again. So this is how to recover Outlook account password. So let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.